In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder and then upload files to it in GitHub. So first, choose your project. I'm going to choose this to do video project. And what we can do now is we can click on the plus icon. We can then click create new file. Now don't worry, because we're not creating a file, we're going to actually create a folder. So I'm going to call this folder folder. So type in the folder name, then go ahead and click on your keyboard the slash icon. And what it will do is it will create a folder. Now you can't create a folder without creating a file. So just create an example file, call it whatever you want. Then commit changes and commit changes again. We can delete this example file later. Now you can see if we go back to the main project, you've got the folder created. If we go ahead and click on this, we can now go ahead and click add file, upload files, and here you can choose and drag on all of your files. I'm just going to upload this one file here just to show you. You'll then see the progress of your files, and if you've uploaded them, you can click commit changes, and then it's going to upload those files to the folder we've just created. So here we have the folder, and inside that folder we have the files. Now, if we wanted to delete this example file we created, just click on it, go to the three dots in the top right, scroll down, click delete file, and there you go, the file was deleted. Make sure you commit those changes, and that is how you do it.